With IKOL, you can build a complete website to run your business successfully in just a few seconds. It includes e-commerce features, invoicing, e-payments, and booking options to help you manage everything in one place. Go to ikol.com and click Generate Website. Now type in your business name in the Your Business Name field. If your business is registered in Google, it may appear in the drop-down, but in our case, we will select Create Website using Company Name. Click Generate Website and wait for your website to be created. Now let's see how your new website looks. Here, you can personalize your website by clicking the Personalize button in the top left corner of your screen. Your services have been automatically generated based on your business type and are ready to be booked from day one. Further down, you'll find a news article generated while you waited for your website. Your location is also mapped on your website, so visitors can easily see where your headquarters are located. Additionally, there's an AI-powered chat feature designed to convert hesitant visitors into loyal customers. If you need a domain name for your website, suggestions are available at the top of your screen. If you like what you see, you can claim this website by clicking Claim for Free. This will allow you to use all the features of your IKOL website during a free trial. Check out the link in the description to get your own IKOL website today. IKOL, AI for Business.